We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review.
Absolutely perfect service and expertise. I contacted JMS for a second opinion after a technician from another local AC company told me that my problem would require a new electronic board and motors. After a $5,000 repair quote, I contacted JMS. Eduardo was extremely helpful. He was honest, efficient, and professional, and had my system operational in less than an hour. A Freon depletion was addressed, and my total bill was about $500. Eduardo told me that my electronic board and motors were in perfect condition and definitely did not need replacement. There are honest businesses out there, and this is definitely one of them. Thank you, JMS.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See? And you'll be amazed. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.